How to play two YouTube videos at the same time on your mobile phone. Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can watch two different YouTube videos at the same time on your mobile phone. Straight into it. So first, what you want to do is go to Google Chrome and navigate to YouTube and ensure that you are viewing YouTube as the desktop site. I've got that button checked. Next, go to the video that you would like to watch and start watching it. Next, you need to open up your split screen. So I'm going to click on the three stripes in the bottom left corner of the screen. Open split screen view. So I'm watching the one video in the top screen, and I'm now going to open up YouTube on the split screen below. Click on YouTube. So next, on the split screen below again, find the channel and video that you'd like to watch. Click on the video, and there we are. So I'm watching two videos at the same time on YouTube on my mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.